Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download any zip file from GitHub, step by step. Even if you've never used GitHub before, don't worry, this is super beginner friendly. Let's go ahead and get started. First, go to the GitHub page of the project you want to download. You can usually get there from a link someone shared, or by searching the project name along with GitHub on Google. Now once you're on the page, look near the top right, you'll see a green button that says Code. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, go ahead and click the option that says Download Zip. As you can see, it immediately starts downloading a zip file of the entire project to your computer. Once that's done, open your Downloads folder, or wherever your browser saves files. You'll see a zip file with the name of the project. Just right-click on it and choose Extract All if you're on Windows, or double-click if you're on Mac to unzip it. And that's it. You now have the full project files on your computer, ready to explore. If you're wondering what to do next, it depends on the project. Some projects might include code you can open in a code editor, or maybe some assets or files you can use right away. You can check the README file inside the folder for more details if you're not sure. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, then like, subscribe and comment if you faced any problem. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comments section. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.